Have you ever truly looked up at the night sky? I mean really looked, away from the city lights. Have you seen the endless sprinkle of stars? Have you wondered about your place in that vastness? It's a question that hums in the background of our existence, a cosmic mystery we all feel. We are small, yes, but we are also part of something immense, something incredible, something that stretches beyond our wildest imaginings. This feeling connects us to the explorers of old, gazing at unknown seas. You might think exploring space is only for astronauts, for people in shiny suits launched on powerful rockets. But I have a different idea for you. What if I told you that your everyday life is an exploration? A grand voyage, in fact, a journey through your very own personal universe. Each day you are the captain of your own ship. You navigate, you discover. You experience the cosmos in ways you might not even realize. This isn't just a metaphor, it's a way of seeing the profound in the seemingly ordinary. We are all explorers, every single one of us. From the moment we wake up, to the moment we fall asleep. We are charting unknown territories. We are encountering new phenomena. Our senses are our scientific instruments. Our minds are our data processors. We gather information. We make sense of our surroundings. We adapt. We grow. This daily expedition is our birthright. It is the essence of being alive. It is a continuous unfolding of the universe through us. This personal universe, your daily life, is not empty. It is not dull. It is teeming with wonders. Some are big, like the changing seasons. Some are small, like the pattern of frost on a window. These wonders are waiting to be noticed, waiting to be appreciated, waiting to spark your curiosity. All it takes is a shift in perspective, a willingness to see the extraordinary in the ordinary, to recognize the cosmic echoes in our daily rhythms. The alarm clock blares, perhaps a gentle chime or an insistent buzz. A new day begins. You open your eyes, you stretch, you get out of bed. This sequence of events feels so normal, so routine, but let's look closer. What is truly happening in this moment? Is it just another morning? Or is it something far more grand, something cosmic? Something that connects you to the very fabric of space and time. Let's reimagine this daily ritual. Imagine for a moment that you are on a magnificent spaceship. This spaceship is not made of metal and wires, it is a beautiful blue and green sphere. We call it planet Earth. And this spaceship is constantly moving, it is spinning, it is rotating on its axis, relentlessly, silently, carrying us all through the vastness of space. You don't feel the speed over 1,000 miles per hour at the equator, but it's happening right now, under your feet. As our spaceship Earth turns, something spectacular occurs. A colossal ball of burning gas, a star, slowly appears over the horizon. We call this star the Sun. It is our star, our life giver. Its light travels millions of miles to reach us, bathing our world in warmth and energy. This daily arrival of the sun is what we call sunrise. It is a personal, daily greeting from the cosmos, a reminder of the immense forces at play all around us. This is not just any star coming into view. It is an event of cosmic significance, repeated daily. The sunrise paints the sky with breathtaking colors. Pinks, oranges, golds. It signals a new beginning, a fresh opportunity for experience, for learning, for discovery. It is a celestial hello. A silent, powerful announcement that the universe is here and you are a part of its ongoing story. Every sunrise is a spectacle, a free show courtesy of the cosmos. Don't just see it, feel it. Your journey to work or school starts. Or perhaps you're just moving about your day running errands. It might seem entirely mundane. The same streets, the same buildings, the same routine. But let's put on our cosmic glasses for a moment. Let's reimagine this daily trek. What if this too is part of your grand cosmic journey? What if the ordinary path is actually an extraordinary voyage through unseen wonders? It is. You just need to know how to look. Imagine you are piloting your starship, your car, the bus, your bicycle, even your own 2 feet. You are not just on a road, you are navigating through a cosmic structure, perhaps a bustling nebula, a vast cloud of interstellar gas and dust where new stars are born. Each street lamp could be a distant pulsar, blinking rhythmically. Each building, a planetary system with its own unique inhabitants and stories. The flow of traffic, a river of celestial bodies moving in concert. Other commuters are fellow travelers, each in their own vessel, on their own unique trajectory through the day. We weave and flow, sometimes close, sometimes distant, a galaxy of human motion. Each interaction, however brief, a nod, a shared glance, is a momentary connection between star systems. We are all part of this complex dynamic system, a daily dance of particles in a shared space, a choreography written by the needs and desires of a community. Even chores at home can be seen through this cosmic lens. Washing dishes, the swirling water and soap suds can look like a miniature spiral galaxy forming in your sink. Tidying your room, You are organizing your personal corner of the universe, arranging your belongings into a state of lower entropy, a small act of creation. Each task completed is a small mission accomplished, a successful navigation of a minor asteroid field. These are the small victories on your grand voyage. Think about all the people you encounter in a day, your family, your friends, your colleagues, even the strangers you pass on the street or interact with briefly in a shop. Each one is a universe unto themselves. Each one is on their own cosmic journey. What happens when these journeys intersect? What kind of celestial mechanics are at play in our social lives? It is more wondrous than you might imagine. Each person is like a unique star, or perhaps a planet, with its own atmosphere, its own moons, its own hidden landscapes. Some people burn very brightly, their energy and personality radiating outwards like a young hot star. Others possess a gentler glow, a steady warmth like a more mature sun. Some might seem distant like faint stars in the night sky, their stories unknown, while others become part of our personal constellations, familiar points of light that help us navigate, that form patterns in our lives. Together, all these individuals form a vast galaxy of relationships, a complex network of connections, an interstellar medium of shared experiences, emotions, and ideas. Sometimes these celestial bodies are drawn together by mutual gravity, forming close bonds, families, friendships, binary star systems, or even small clusters. Sometimes stars collide, creating bursts of energy, new ideas, or even conflict. Sometimes they drift apart, their orbits diverging over time. This is the dance of social physics. These interactions, these gravitational pulls and pushes, shape our journey significantly. They teach us about ourselves and others. They offer comfort and support, like a familiar constellation on a dark night. They challenge us to grow, to adapt, to see things from a different perspective. Every conversation is like a transmission sent across the cosmic void, bridging the distance between two unique worlds. Each shared laugh, a minor supernova of joy, each act of kindness, a gentle gravitational wave spreading outwards. Section 5. Black holes of challenge overcoming obstacles. Life, as we all know, is not always a smooth flight through serene star fields. Sometimes our journey takes us into difficult territory. We face challenges, obstacles, problems that seem immense and overwhelming. These moments can feel dark. They can feel like we are being pulled into something we cannot escape. These are the black holes of our personal universes. Formidable, yes, but also part of the cosmic landscape. Think of these challenges as cosmic phenomena. Like black holes, they possess an immense gravitational pull. They can consume our energy, our focus, our hope. They seem dark because their solutions are not immediately visible. They test our strength, they test our resilience, they test our courage. It is easy to feel lost when caught in their influence. But even these experiences have something to teach us, something valuable for our ongoing voyage. But remember, even black holes are a natural part of the universe. They are not just about destruction, they inform our understanding of gravity, of space-time, of the very laws that govern existence. Similarly, our personal challenges teach us about our own limits and about our capacity to exceed them. We must learn to navigate around these dense regions. Or, if we find ourselves caught in their pull, we must find the courage and the ingenuity to find an escape trajectory, perhaps emerging changed, but stronger and wiser. Overcoming a significant challenge is like successfully executing a gravitational slingshot maneuver around a massive celestial body. It requires precise calculation, or perhaps intuitive skill. It demands effort. It demands perseverance. It makes our journey richer, our understanding of our own capabilities deeper. We learn the physics of our own spirit. We discover reserves of strength we didn't know we possessed. These victories, big or small, are like discovering new, stable orbits after a period of turbulence. Section 6. Stardust in our veins, our cosmic connection. Where do we truly come from? This is one of the oldest, most profound questions humanity has ever asked. Religions, philosophies, and science have all sought to answer it. And science, through astronomy and physics, offers an answer that is quite literally stellar. It's an answer that connects you personally to the grandest events in the history of the universe. It's a truth that should fill you with awe every single day. Consider the very atoms that make up your body, the calcium in your bones, giving you structure, the iron in your blood, carrying life-giving oxygen, the carbon that forms the backbone of your DNA. These elements were not created here on Earth. They were forged deep inside the fiery hearts of stars. stars that lived for millions or billions of years, stars that, at the end of their lives, exploded in spectacular events called supernovae. We are, in the most literal sense, made of stardust, recycled stardust. The universe took the ashes of dead stars and built new stars, new planets, and eventually you. Think about that for a moment. You are a child of the cosmos. Every particle within you has undertaken an immense journey across space and time to become part of you. You are connected intimately to every star you see in the night sky and to all those you cannot. This connection is not just a poetic idea, it is a scientific fact. It means you are not separate from the universe, you are an integral part of it. You are a walking, talking, thinking piece of the cosmos, the universe experiencing itself. How incredibly amazing is that? This understanding can change how you see yourself, how you see your place in the grand scheme of things. You carry the legacy of stars within your very being. You are precious. You are cosmic. Section 7. New Horizons Every Day. Learning and Discovery. Every single day presents an opportunity to learn something new, to discover something wonderful about the world around you, or about yourself. This innate human drive to learn, to explore, to understand, is the same spirit that propels scientists to look deeper into space. It's the same curiosity that fueled the great explorers of history, and this adventure is available to you every moment. Think of each new day as a chance to send out a space probe from your mind, or to point your personal telescope towards an unknown region of your experience. What new information will you gather? What new understanding will emerge from the data you collect? The universe is vast, and so is the potential for knowledge. Every question asked is the beginning of an exploration. Every answer found, a new star charted on your personal map of reality. Reading a book is an exploration into another mind, another world, another time. Trying a new recipe is a culinary experiment, a discovery of new flavors and textures. Listening deeply to someone else's story opens up a universe of their experience, broadening your own. Learning a new skill, whether it's playing an instrument or fixing a leaky faucet, is like mapping a new star system. You are expanding your capabilities, your understanding, your personal cosmos. Life, much like the universe itself, is in a state of constant expansion. Our knowledge expands with it if we allow it. There are always new horizons beckoning, always more to explore, more to understand, more to appreciate. This is true for the universe outside us with its endless galaxies and mysteries, and it is equally true for the universe within us. Keep your mind open. Stay curious. The discoveries are truly endless. The journey of learning never, ever stops. Section 8. The universe within our inner cosmos. We gaze outwards at the vast, star-dusted expanse of the night sky. We marvel at its scale, its beauty, its mystery. But there is another universe, one that is just as vast, just as complex, just as mysterious and full of wonder. And this universe is much closer than you think. In fact, it is right inside you. It is the universe of your inner self, your mind, your consciousness. This inner cosmos is rich with its own celestial phenomena. Your thoughts are like shooting stars, fleeting bright ideas or persistent worries. Your dreams are like distant, unexplored planets full of strange landscapes and symbolic narratives. Your emotions are like powerful nebulae swirling with colors of joy, sadness, anger, or peace. Your imagination is a veritable quasar, a brilliant source of creative energy capable of generating entire new worlds. This internal landscape is endlessly fascinating. Exploring this inner world is a journey as profound as any space voyage. Meditation can be like deep space travel, taking you to quiet, still places within your consciousness. Journaling can be like charting your inner constellations, mapping the patterns of your thoughts and feelings. Understanding your emotions is like deciphering complex cosmic signals, learning what they are telling you about your needs and your experiences. Your creativity is a personal supernova, an explosion of innovative ideas and expressions. Take time to explore this inner universe. It holds incredible wonders and profound truths about who you are. It is where your personal mission control resides, where you process experiences and make decisions. It is where you chart the course for your outer journey through life. To know thyself, as the ancient philosophers advised, is to know thy universe. The more you understand your inner cosmos, the more effectively and joyfully you can navigate the outer one. Your inner and outer universes are deeply connected. Section 9. Embracing the Cosmic Dance, Finding Wonder. So what is the grand takeaway from all of this? What does it mean to see our daily lives as a cosmic journey? It means that your life right now in this very moment is extraordinary. It truly is. It is not just a sequence of mundane tasks and unremarkable days, it is something far more significant. Something imbued with the same magic and mystery that we attribute to the farthest reaches of space. Your daily existence is a cosmic journey. It is filled with spectacle, from the grandeur of a sunrise to the intricate beauty of a snowflake. It is filled with challenges that, like cosmic obstacles, forge your strength and resilience. It is filled with connections to other beings, forming vast galaxies of relationships. It is filled with continuous discovery, as you learn and grow and expand your understanding. Every single moment is a step, a movement, a note in this grand cosmic dance. Therefore I urge you to look for the universe in the mundane, seek out the cosmic echoes in your everyday experiences, see the brilliant light of a distant star in the simple act of a morning coffee warming your hands. Observe the intricate orbits of your family members as you share a meal. Feel the subtle gravitational pull of decisions, both small and large. Recognize the starlight that shines from within the ordinary, everyday objects and encounters that populate your world. Embrace your role as a cosmic explorer with enthusiasm and open eyes. Be curious, ask questions, seek answers, be adventurous, try new things, step outside your comfort zone, find the wonder that is all around you and also deeply within you. Your grand tour of the universe is not something that happens in a distant future, on another planet. It is happening right here, right now, every single day. Don't just live it, explore it, cherish it, for you are a traveler among the stars.